Naidi. The Prime Minister is vested. Orotamunai Sade. Orotamunai on the with the at the by the. Vested.
With.
By.
ঠিক আছে orotamunai with executive or with sido. Acha or kicha ang kongtang ka has vested or has vested se. ঠিক আছে আর Simon থাকা nini the President of India is elected. Orotamo sadi elected by the electoral college or by nai. Orotamo by. Next adaro the governor of the state in appointed or khatam nai appointed
By
by appointed by egar batamo by appointed by egar khatamo or khai with bas ekai orang khatamo the power and duties of the chief minister as specified or khatam sade 4 number specified pacha sade or tama mali ada acha orapo nini by article number 167 of Indian Constitution. About Nadi, 5 number the Constitution of Indian provide for a vice president or tamanai vice president or tama. Hello, Canada.
On sir on.
On ঠিক আছে on or sadi the parliament has the power to legislate or tamunai legislate for or for unai legislate for matter related to erpramon id the Supreme Court has jurisdiction tamunai arwa jurisdiction tamunai
Over.
Jurisdiction over on prachadi the president can grant pardon preserve respite or remission of punishment or to suspend remit or sentence of any person convicted of any offense tamnarwa pacha sade
Offense in
the union bas or the governor is appointed by the president tamnai
of
erpore the high court has jurisdiction tamnai
in the state
ঠিক আছে তাবো খাই অরবনি নি আর্টিকেল পজিশন 10 টা जों प्रत्येकটা आइटम नि चिनि चेकआप खायनाय नायनाय नायटंनि सादि which sentence demonstrate the correct subject verb agreement or bobo correct subject verb agreement ning jak sadi bobo sari pat the group of bird fly the group of birds flies the group of bird flying the group of bird is flying bobo
D number na sir
abongkai abo B number correct Apa B number correct. Bas. Next. Next tadi identify the sentence subject paragraph mo subject bobo correct. A number tamsa the family are planning, the family is planning, the family planning, the family were planning. Tadi bobo fat.
B number dana sir wo. Family is planning.
The family is planning. Bas mobo B no correct. Next 30 number sadi. Oba je kono competitive exam ni bagai obo. Nini multitasking ngtho tak upcoming nini TPSC wa nini election inspector tabuk tonggo ba tak travel welfare inspector ni kabang ma post create khena arok joto sop obo ning je kono competitive ni bagi english joto jaga ma nini check up grammatical eta ka herfer ki jang ma samre ar por sari 13 number determine the sentence with proper subject bar agreement bobo each of the people are the each of the people each of the apple are the each of the apple is the each of the apple being read the each of the apple was read bobo
B number sir.
or what B number correct answer or tangga each of either of neither of ngai sini subject bar agreement or singular is next adi we sentence show the correct subject bar mo total number taratari the term of researches are the theme of researches is the theme of research conducting the theme of research was bobong nai
Abo B nong na sir abo.
abo the theme no bujago theme researches ni the theme of singular is therefore Bobo, neither of the student were, neither of the students was, neither of the student able, neither of the student is, neither nor either or. Tong hata mo. Tadi? Apa tadi? Neither nor either or. Neither nor either or. Tong hata mo. Mo batin no B. Bas. Identify the sentence with correct accessory. The heart of the deer are, the heart of deer is, the heart of deer grazing, the heart of deer was bobong nai. 16 ni
Sir heart mane tamam buji mali.
heart mane grazing peacefully ekdam kota কঠিন বুঝোগিয়া নমনীয়তা এটা শক্ত
B nong na.
ঠিক আছে on for 17 determine the sentence ini Baba the number of participants in the competition are the number of participants in the companies is the number of Baba sadi pat joto dawa sengka mana apa B number or bo bas engkai takasarwa each of the student were each of the student was each of the student giving each of the student is given Baba correct Baba
B number.
Orba B number bas anpre ini the staff at the hospital is the staff at the hospital are the staff at the hospital working the staff at the hospital was apa bobo the staff at the hospital is the staff at the hospital are the staff at the hospital working the staff at the hospital was bobo sare
A number do sir. A number the staff.
A number correct choose the sentence mate se sadi tekaisa subject bar agreement ni 10 ta শেষ oba bijar hangka ekai nini ekaran hoite ngesekanga article provision 10 ta শেষ ngabo nini 10 ta tadi baba a pair of globe wire a pair of globe was a pair of globe living a pair of globe is left baba taratari
B.
Abo correct was left on the table pass. Eke tabo kai phaikya nini transformation sentence transformation. Sheila plays tennis every Sunday. Boro tolongmani ko passive voice passive 21 number na hoite 30 jorang nai nini transformation nai tongdi ekdom ega sade
A number.
sade baba
A number 10.
A number. Tamo tennis. Tennis is played by Sheila every Sunday. Sheila plays or present I think nini object plus emisar plus pp plus by plus nini object ni other bus a number correct answer kaham kai naisik di ek থেকে দুইবার নাই di অনেক অনেক গথানায় on pre 22 number of atino the teacher explain the lesson to the student Pesibo telang nani baba sade baba
The teacher explained.
Babona the lesson was explained dangno the lesson or explained that lesson explained to the student by the teacher the lesson of the student was explained by the babona
A number answer.
A number the lesson was explained to the student by the teacher bas correct answer A number bas tekasa number sadi abo mabatino they have built a new bridge across the river pesi botlang nani they have built a new bridge across the river into the passive voice tlangli baba a new bridge across the river has been built by the them of the a new bridge across the river has built by them the a new bridge across the river has been built by them a new bridge across the river has been building by them bobong nai
A number no sir.
A number correct tango a new bridge of the third person has nai or the third person has been nai has have had by been nini objective porarika has have been plus pp plus by plus o or kai has have kore or been tongkono or nini a new bridge across the river has been built or built has been built by them. Acha, apa sentence yang mengkaka? A new bridge across the river has or been kiri or kai, ঠিক আছে? আচ্ছা sing Simon thaka, tamo object class has have had tamo kai been nonai log. এরপরে 24 number sadi patpat tamo the chief is preparing a delicious meal in the kitchen. The chief is preparing a delicious meal in the kitchen. Bas, Bobo.
A number.
A number. A delicious meal is being. M is plus being tongnai. Prepare PVPP plus by plus. Bas, correct answer. ঠিক আছে এরপরে which sentence the student will write examination next week will write abo bobong nai
A number
baba
will. A number will be.
the examination will be shall will tonga be written by student bas correct answer next 26 hadi he has painted the wall of the house into the passive voice tartari sadi tartari
The wall of the house has been. B number sir.
Papa
The wall of the house. B number sir. B number.
B number the wall of the house has been the walls the double ls walls the walls reserve or a sido have equal has or what plural has reserve or plural say have and numbers do ঠিক আছে have been painted by him correct answer next hadi Next hadis, she will clean the room tomorrow. Bopong nai.
Number, sir.
Number.
Number.
Number. Tomorrow, the room will be cleaned by her. Bas. The room will be cleaned by her tomorrow. Abo ubusangpan monoklokon dari mana? Kun paper ya. Our others. Next hadis. Next, they had finished the project before the deadline into passive voice. Pelai ke important multitasking godo, multitasking hindi nini TPS hindi obro. Do. Sorry.
B number, sir.
Baba.
B number.
Acha. Project had finished. Have had tangka been dinai finished before the deadline by them. Pass. Correct answer. Correct answer. Next hadith. Identify the
number.
Sorry, our passive.
Number.
The company will launch the new product next month. Ekangkai arawatamo nini the new product will be launched by the company next month. Correct answer. Bas. Correct. Next 30 hadith. বাদ বাকি রকম চুপচাপ বাদ বাকি রক যতন সাথে এক লগে খরচ চাইয়া এক লগে চাথু চাইতো চানান কো গিয়া ওলাও আং সাইরবানা নং যে খাকলামে এক লগে খরান খায় এক লগে যতন সারি তান খরচ চাইনে কক তুমি দর্শকের ভূমিকা যারা পালন খানে সাকসেস সংনানি বাগৈ থুকনাই they are building a new stadium in the city তাড়াতাড়ি সাথে আবা they are building a stadium.
B number, sir.
B number.
B number. D.
Acha. Ikai arwa they are building a new stadium. A new stadium in the city. Is being. A new stadium is the city is being built by them. Our a number say. Baba, a number. A new stadium in the city is being built by them. Correct. Maka paikha nini tabukhate naidi mobo direct to indirect mokha maka moni sade tam saka she said I am going to market. She said I am going to market. Indirect go bobong nai. She said that she is going to market. She said that she was going to market. Baba, taratari.
B number, sir. M was.
Bad baki rok sari. Bad baki rok. She said that our correct answer B number. Next sari. 32 number. Tamo, he said, I will help you with your homework. I will help you with your homework. Our study. Acha, babong nai.
A number, sir.
He said that he would help me. He said that he would help me with my work. Correct. Anpara sadi apa? Pat sadi. She said I have complete my work. She said I have complete my work. Taratari.
A number. She said that
she had complete her homework. Correct. My work. Correct. Take a number sadi. Our sadi. He said I will be going to visit my grandmother tomorrow. I will be going to visit. Acha taratari sade. He said Baba sade.
A number, sir.
A number. He said that he would be visit. Acha correct answer. Grandmother. Next. 35. Taratari sade. She said I had dinner an hour ago. তাড়াতাড়ি he
B
said
number
that
to
she
sir.
had dinner she said that he had dinner an hour she said baba sare baba above B number correct answer B number correct answer next 36 ni sare he said I can speak French French hemen abo sare baba baba
B number sir.
ঠিক আছে B number correct আবার সাথে 37 তাড়াতাড়ি he said I will buy a new car next week
B number.
B number.
ঠিক আছে
B number.
he said that he would buy correct answer next সাথে তাড়াতাড়ি check up তাড়াতাড়ি সাথে
C number sir.
she said I am watching আচ্ছা
C number.
he said that he was watching a movie then bas correct answer next সাথে 39 সাথে ফটফট 39 তাড়াতাড়ি
C number. C number. C.
আচ্ছা C number correct she said that he had finished that book previous day correct answer next সাথে next তাড়াতাড়ি
B.
he said I will go to
B number sir.
B number. B.
correct answer পাইখা নিনি ডাইরেক্ট থেকে ইনডাইরেক্ট পাইখা 40টা 10টা অঙ্ক নি হইতে 31 হইতে গাতাক না যদি 41 হইতে তামাব error sentence the term are playing the team are playing very well today orobo bobo bulung tong orobo bo what bull the team
R. Bull.
B number.
orobo bulung tongo ar tangge the team tam ni team ba arang tongo team ba kaisa se team kaisa kaini team kaisa se orobo aro bull correct answer next 42 তার সাথে she do not have any money left bobong na bobo bull orobo
Don.
don abo dom ya das si third person singular number atengge abo do not ya don ya ekaro nini 42 ni b correct bas ekan nangabo manan bagai nini subject par agreement clear na nongai mo mana subject par agreement clear kan nangmo mano my brother and sister is going to park oro bobo sare pacha 43 ni bobo
Is.
my brother and sister or duijon thaka plural lang thaka tamni ising na ba orowa iso bol mane nini 43 wa siwo bol omai ke check up oba subject par agreement mana nai iru ro check khaja erpore he have been waiting for the bus for over an hour obo wrong oro here he to third person singular number si he third person singular number tangga oro he pangna ba oro to he si ekera abo saya o he mani saya bas oro 45 number sadi tartari each of the student has to submit their assignment by Friday baba 45 ni tartari oro baba bol
There. The bulung kana sararo.
acha oratam ni dia naklama each of the student has to submit assignment by Friday lekainu orot dia ro bolong thanga arpra nini sade the cat laid on the bed all afternoon tartari baba
Late.
late ro baba late ya wrong ঠিক আছে নাম্বার 3 টাইম করে গেছিনি পাঠাত
B
47
number sir.
Arawa si enjoy acha enjoy wacha enjoy ya acha ঠিক she enjoyed third person singular number এরপরে 48 তার সাথে 48 টা মানে the dogs were barking ছাড়ে আবা 48 বাবা 48 তাড়াতাড়ি
We are.
আর নাই স্যার তারপর
বাবা বল
ওয়ার বল ওয়ার
বাদ বাকি রক্ষারে কাম কায়
We are bull, sir.
অরবা দারিবই ডেফিনেটলি ডগ সিংয়া অরবা বল দা অরবা বল ঠিক আছে অরবা বল এরপরে next সাথে I have not never seen such as beautiful বাবা সাথে I have not never I never seen such as beautiful sunset da I have not never da তাড়াতাড়ি 49 ni অরবা have not diwi double not diwi ne barangya not tongoi ne barangya অরবা বলছি 50 নম্বর সাথে the news above the election are on the front page 50 তাড়াতাড়ি সাথে
সি নাম্বার স্যার
অরবা বাবা
সি নাম্বার স্যার আর
the news about the election আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে একাই जोंरो 50 টা খাইকা তাও जों next গব তে চেকআপ খাইনাय অবাইকে যত সব যে অঙ্কন পারফেক্ট কাই ফান্ডামেন্টাল सोलोंबाय माने পরে অমাইকে চেকআপ খাইকাय যে কোনো एग्जाम ब नों रिनानि बागै ক্ষমতা তৈরিং থাঙ্গো বা পুসি বলং থাঙ্গো বলতে স্কিল তৈরিং থাঙ্গো ঠিক আছে